Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Teams meeting features, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start a meeting in Microsoft Teams, open the app and go to the Calendar tab on the left side. Click on the Meet Now button or select a specific time for a scheduled meeting. Invite participants by entering their names or email addresses in the invite box. Once everyone has joined, familiarize yourself with the meeting controls at the bottom of the screen. To turn on your microphone, click the microphone icon. To enable your camera, click the camera icon next to the microphone. To share your screen, click the Share button, then select the screen or window you want to share. You can also share a specific PowerPoint presentation by selecting it from the sharing options. To chat during the meeting, use the chat pane on the right side of the screen. Type your message in the chat box and hit Enter to send it to all participants. If you want to raise your hand, click the hand icon in the meeting controls. To record the meeting, click on the More Actions button and select Start Recording. To view participant videos in a grid view, click on the Gallery View button. If you need to focus on one speaker, switch to Speaker View by selecting the appropriate option. At the end of the meeting, click the red Hang Up button to leave. For future meetings, you can access meeting recordings in chat history in the chat section of Microsoft Teams. Familiarize yourself with these features to enhance your online meeting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.